A lot of amps can get loud and dirty, but only a few stay tight, clear, and mean when you dig into fast downpicking, low tunings, and chuggy riffs. The wrong amp turns your tone into flubby mush. The right metal amp makes every palm mute hit like a punch. In this video, you will see amps built to handle modern metal gain, attack, and clarity. And all product links are in the description if you want to check prices before you choose your next weapon. 1. Blackstar St. James 6L6. The Blackstar St. James 6L6 offers a wide range of tones for heavy metal guitarists looking for an easy-to-carry, portable all-in-one studio amp. British producer Blackstar claims the St. James 6L6 is the lightest 50-watt amp on the market, weighing in at about the same weight as a typical solid-state rig. This is because the combination of the Candlewood plywood cabinet and Celestion Zephyr speakers allows for a significant weight reduction without compromising sound quality. 2. Diesel Phi H Micro. The overwhelming sound coming from this tiny head amp is incredible. It's no wonder that the legendary Diesel sound has been adopted by legends like James Hetfield and Adam Jones. This great metal amp is designed for high gain and can produce unique metal tones, but it can also produce a clean channel that's transparent and pleasant. 3. Marshall DSL-40 CR. Contrary to many traditionalists, you don't really need a full stack to get great metal tones. The Marshall DSL-40 CR is a relatively compact tube combo that's versatile enough to handle high gain and clean plucking with ease. The Ultra channel is full of Marshall swagger, with a tight, punchy low end reminiscent of the famous EVH Brown sound. 4. Mesa Boogie JP2 Tai C. Considered a must-have for progressive metal enthusiasts, the JP2C has a sonic versatility that has made it a favorite with guitarists of all genres. Based on the sonic signature of the Mark I MIC+, the Mesa Boogie JP2C has a stunning high-gain sound and a clean channel reminiscent of the distinctive John Petrucci sound. 5. Marshall JCM 800. If you like your vintage metal loud and brash, the Marshall JCM 800 is a fantastic choice. One of the iconic amps of rock and metal, this is a simple amp that does one thing really well, which is why its design has barely changed since its introduction in the 80s. The JCM 800's sound is very mid-range focused, making it ideal for crisp guitar tones. 6. Boss Katana 50. Gen 3 Boss's unique Tube Logic solid-state/DSP technology is the secret behind this versatile combo, which far exceeds its price point in both features and tone. It comes in 5 tones: acoustic, clean, crunch, lead, and brown. The latter delivers the tight, high-gain solo tones of your dreams, while each sound can be saved to one of 8 different tone settings. Memories. If one of these metal amps sounds like the perfect match for your riffs, thrash, djent, or doom, drop your favorite pick in the comments and tell me what style you play. Hit like, subscribe for more Metal Gear breakdowns, and remember, every product link is in the description. If you are ready to go deeper into specs, reviews, or prices and upgrade your backline.